In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement regarding vasectomy. Option A, vasa differentia is cut and tied. This is true. In vasectomy, the vasa differentia, that is the tube that carries sperms from the testes to the urethra, are cut and tied to prevent the transport of sperms, which leads to sterility. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, irreversible sterility. This is also true. While vasectomy is considered effective and permanent form of sterilization, but it can be reversed surgically. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, no sperm occurs in seminal fluid. This is also true. After vasectomy, sperm cannot travel to the seminal fluid due to the cut vas difference. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, no sperm occurs in epididymis. Now, this is not true. Sperm production in the testes and storage in the epididymis continue even after vasectomy. So, this procedure does not affect the production of the sperm. It only blocks their transport to the seminal fluid. Hence, it is the correct option.